Hey, what's going on everyone? PJ Crypto here, and we're going to get into another tutorial video that I'm really excited to give you all, and it's a really neat tool when it comes to adding additional protocols like other than Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, which we've talked about in this playlist already. We're going to expand our horizons a little bit further along and talk about other blockchains that are out there. There's a lot of great products, and I'm very excited to kind of show how easy it is for you to get started in these other blockchains. So without further ado, let's roll the video. All right, so once again, here we are. We have that wallet that we have set up in this video here. That video is the one you want to go to if you haven't seen yet. It's how to get this Metamask wallet set up on your browser extension for Chrome. So what we're going to do today is we have the Ethereum. We're going to add additional blockchains to this. For one, we're going to add Phantom, we're going to add Avalanche, and we're going to add Polygon. Those are very cool projects, and I love their blockchains. They have a lot of fantastic things coming along for them. And so I wanted to show you just how easy it is to kind of get that started and added to your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the website is chainlist.org. One word, chainlist.org. I'll have the link down in the description below for you. But this website makes it extremely easy to connect your wallet. And don't worry, it is safe to connect your wallet and actually import these blockchains into your MetaMask wallet so you can go ahead and toggle between them as you're kind of moving through your investments. So again, we always talk about not your keys, not your crypto. So of course, all of these are, things that you can trade on centralized exchanges. But again, that's not your crypto, that's not your keys. This is your keys. MetaMask is the way to keep your own custodial of your own crypto assets. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and get involved with these other blockchains. So like I said, let's go ahead and start with getting our wallet connected here to chainlist.org. So what I'm going to do is click on the Connect Wallet up here at the top. Once I click on Connect Wallet, it'll now prompt me with my MetaMask saying, you are going to connect this account to this website. Go ahead and click Next. And then it says, please confirm that you want to connect. Click Connect. All right. So now that I'm connected, now the prompt goes from connecting to wallet to now add to MetaMask. So as you know, when you set up MetaMask at first, Ethereum blockchain is already there. All right. So as you can see here at the top, right now, I only have Ethereum mainnet on my options here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you how easy it is to add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet. So I'm going to click on Add to MetaMask. I now get a prompt that tells me the network name. It tells me the network URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and I scroll down and I click Approve. And when I click approve, it's going to actually switch me over to that network protocol that I want to import. So I'm going to click switch as well. So now when I go up to the top where your extensions are, you'll see the little MetaMask icon. And then when you click on that, you'll see here, now I have the Binance Smart Chain in addition to Ethereum. And that, folks, is how easy it is to actually get set up. Now, obviously, we need to get those currencies into the MetaMask wallet, but I'll have a follow-on video on how to actually get those cryptocurrencies put in here. But it's going to be a lot similar to this other video that we did over here, which is about how to actually take crypto from a centralized exchange, which I use Kucoin, and move it onto your MetaMask. And we did Binance Smart Chain in that one, but all these other ones are very similar to that. You would buy Phantom, you would send Phantom onto MetaMask, for example, which is the next one. Let's go ahead and add. So at here at the top, another way you can find it is you can click on and search by clicking this little search networks. I click Phantom, and there you go. I don't have to go scroll through all those pages or any of that stuff. I just do a search, and here it is, Phantom Opera. Add this to MetaMask. Again, same thing, add a MetaMask. It'll give me a prompt, and that prompt, again, tells you the network name, the URL, the chain ID, and the currency is FTM, okay? So I click Approve, and now it's going to switch me. I was on Binance, and now it's going to switch me over to Phantom. You'll see now I have Phantom here listed, and it's Ethereum, Phantom, Binance Smart Chain. So there you go. That's how easy it is. And again, go on and so forth. I can click, if I can type here. If I click on Avalanche, there it is, Avalanche as well. Click on Add to MetaMask, same thing. Click Approve, switch network, and now my MetaMask has Avalanche is also available for me to receive that cryptocurrency and trade on Avalanche projects. So that is how easy it is. As you can see, super quick. We started with Ethereum when we put on our Metamask for the very first time. And now I have 3 other blockchains as simple as boom, 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 1, 2, 3. All right. And then last but not least, we're going to add Polygon. So let's go ahead and search that right now. Polygon. There we go. Polygon mainnet pops up for us. I click add to Metamask. The prompt comes up once again, Polygon mainnet. Here's the URL, here is the chain ID, and the symbol is Matic. Click approve, switch networks, and there you go. All set up in quick and easy steps. So we set up Phantom, we set up Avalanche, we set up Polygon. We already had Binance Smart Chain all set up too. That's how you do it. It's super easy to use, okay? So that's all we had today, folks. Just wanted to show you how you can get into other blockchain projects and protocols like Phantom, Avalanche, and Binance Smart Chain. So hope you all enjoyed the content. Please do me a favor, smash a like down below. It really helps us out here. And if you do like what you heard today, subscribe to the channel and maybe hit that notification bell so you can know when new content comes out from PJ Crypto. All right, everybody, be safe out there. Have a fantastic rest of your day. PJ Crypto signing off, and I'll see you on the moon.